Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss about pH scale. The scale which is used to measure the strength of acidic or alkaline solution is known as pH scale. A universal indicator paper is used to measure the pH of a solution. A universal indicator paper, or commonly known as pH paper, has a mixture of several dyes coated on it. It shows different colors for different pH values of the solution. In acidic solution, color changes from yellow to orange and then red as the pH decreases. The color changes from indigo to violet when pH changes from 7 to 14. By comparing the colors with the chart provided with the pH paper, we can find the pH of different solutions. Strong acids have pH value from 0 to 2. pH of weak acids is in between 3 and 6. pH of strong alkalis is 12 to 14. Students, our next topic is pH and its range from 0 to 14 in aqueous media. Pure water ionizes very slightly into hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion. However, the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion in pure water are equal. Hydrogen ion concentration increases when acids are dissolved in water. Alkalis, on dissolving in water, decrease the concentration of hydrogen ion in water as compared to hydroxide ion. The greater the concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution, the stronger the acid it is. Lesser the concentration of hydrogen ion as compared to hydroxide ion in a solution, the stronger the alkali it is. Hence, the scale which is used to measure the strength of an acid or alkali in an aqueous solution is based on the concentration of hydrogen ions, which is termed as pH. pH value ranges from 0 to 14. The solution having equal concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion are neutral solutions. They have pH equal to 7. pH equal to 7 is the midpoint of the pH scale. The solutions with higher concentration of hydrogen ions will have lower value than pH 7. The solutions with lower concentration of hydrogen ions than that of hydroxide ions will have greater than 7 value of pH. The solutions with lower pH values are stronger acids. The solutions with higher pH values are stronger alkalis. The higher the pH value of the solution, the stronger the alkalis they are. Students, we are going to perform activity that will show the different colors of pH papers in different solutions having different values of pH. Thus, pH paper give colors from yellow to orange as the pH of the solution decreases, and finally it gives red color in the pH having in a solution having pH equal to 0, that will indicate strong acid. In a solution that is neutral, the color of pH is light green, and in solutions having pH from 7 to 14, it shows color from indigo to violet, and in strong alkalis its color is violet. And let's perform an activity now. Beta, these are different laboratory reagents. This is strong sulfuric acid. This is strong hydrochloric acid, and this is vinegar, or commonly known as vinegar, and chemically it is known as acetic acid. These are bases. This is sodium hydroxide, and this is ammonium hydroxide. I have prepared dilute solution of all these reagents. Now I am going to dip pH paper in the dilute sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is the strongest acid, and you can see that pH paper has turned red, and we can match it with the pH scale given with the pH paper, and you can see that it is having pH equal to 1. I am going to dip pH paper in the hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is less strong as compared to sulfuric acid, and there is somewhat difference between their color. And hydrochloric acid is having pH 2. This is acetic acid. It gives light red or slightly orange color, indicating the pH corresponding to 3. Next, I am going to dip the pH paper in the dilute sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base or alkali, and you can see the pH paper has turned violet, and we can match it with the pH scale. The pH scale showing the pH value equal to 14. Next, we are having ammonium hydroxide solution, and I am going to dip pH paper in it. It gives dark green color, and the pH corresponding to this is 9. You can see with the pH scale. This is pure water, and the color of pH paper in pure water is light green. Here you can see exactly it is the same color and indicating pH equal to 7. Now we are going to discuss pH value of some common substances. Substances and their pH values are given in the table. Pure sulfuric acid is having pH 0. Gastric juice in the stomach is having pH 1. Lemon juice pH 2. Vinegar containing acetic acid is having pH 3. Tomato juice is having oxalic acid in it, and its pH is 4. Acid rain that contain nitric acid and sulfuric acid is having pH 5. Pure water is having pH 7. Cleansing fluid is having pH 9. Baking powder that is mostly used in the bakery products is having pH 10. Milk of magnesia that is used to cure the acidity of stomach is having pH 11. Household ammonia is having pH 12. Strongest alkalis such as potassium hydroxide is having pH equal to 14. Thank you.